vidIQ.
vidIQ.
vidIQ.com.
vidIQ upgrades your desktop YouTube experience to a whole new level, so let's look at some user interface changes first. On all YouTube pages you will see this real-time stats bar that allows you to track your YouTube channel wherever you are on YouTube. Down the left-hand navigation panel you will see new creator tools exclusive to vidIQ, which we'll touch on later. Also note that you can mouse over some of our tools, such as the video likes to dislikes ratio seen here, to uncover even more analytics. The same goes for our real-time stats bar and many other tools. The next thing to keep an eye out for is this vidIQ tool button. It does many different things on many different screens. For example, on the YouTube Video Manager page, it allows you to copy cards, send the video to Facebook and more. Wherever you see this button, click on it and see what you can do. Finally, when you install vidIQ, a Chrome extension button is added to your browser. Make sure to click on it, as it gives you shortcut links to important YouTube screens, as well as access to our web applications that give you further insights into your YouTube channel. vidIQ includes over 100 tools to help you research YouTube, discover the secrets behind successful videos, audit your own channel, and take action that helps you get more views and subscribers. When you perform a search on YouTube, vidIQ will add several key metrics to tell you what's happening behind the scenes. You'll be able to see monthly search volume and the performance of the top videos in that search term. The keyword score rates a term at a glance, weighing search volume against video competition. The higher the score, the more valuable the keyword is to produce video content for. vidIQ will also reveal the tags for each video, and you can click on these tags to launch our keyword inspector for even more insights, including interest over time for each keyword. The most viewed tool found on the left navigation panel lets you research YouTube in a completely new way. It shows you what's trending right now for your keyword based on views, video velocity or engagement. What makes this tool super powerful is that you can filter the search in unique ways, such as searching for the most viewed videos on Fortnite by channels between 1 and 10,000 subscribers. If that content is blowing up for them, maybe it can do for you too. If there is anything you need to know about any video on YouTube, our legendary scorecard is the place to go. From video insights to social media engagements, SEO data, video optimization, channel stats and more, this tool will help you uncover the secrets to the success of a video you're watching. The Competitors tool allows you to keep tabs on video creators who create content in your creative space. As with the most viewed tool, you can discover what content is working for them and add your voice to the conversation. One of the tools we are most proud of is the Channel Audit. It gives you an instant channel health snapshot and shows you which videos are performing best on your channel under different metrics. This is the content you should be producing more of. The channel tool also helps you improve your tags, titles and descriptions, as well as alerting you to quick fixes, such as where you have forgotten to add videos to playlists. vidIQ will help you take actions that give your content the best possible chance to flourish on YouTube. When you fill out your tags, titles and descriptions, our tools will suggest words and phrases that best suit and optimize your metadata. Our SEO score ensures your video has the visibility it needs on YouTube, and the checklist reminds you to do all those extra bits and pieces during the upload process. To further enhance your video's metadata, our Boost tool will suggest literally hundreds of tags that you can analyze and then add to your video with a single mouse click. We have a lot more tools we're excited to show you, including the best time to publish your videos on YouTube, our bulk SEO tool that analyzes old videos and suggests new tags to add, the comment template tool that lets you create stock answers to reply to stock comments with a single mouse click, and the trend alert tool that monitors key phrases for you and emails you when there may be videos that you need to watch. For detailed tutorials on all of the tools you've seen in this beginner's guide, plus dozens more, make sure to visit and subscribe to our vidIQ YouTube channel. On the right hand side you can now watch 100 ways we can help you grow your channel through vidIQ and deep dives into all of the tools we've talked about today. Enjoy the rest of your video making day, and we'll see you on those other videos right now.